Yeah, we are. Nigerian upcoming artists will so has here and you more de ban. Yeah, you cry and tiasi. Into ye try home run as you go video of the day. Yeah, ba, afi, just a sin some so. Wait, I bumper to bumper.
Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola. Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola.
So when your papa no more see the dance floor or hear Tatia Sana next day, that no so near so your wife pa. Now make how say you may be a media and no will be any so much in my meeting. A pad media production, type of video wholesome, pictures wholesome dear, and for pad media production. And what do is what say, or police station chair. And I have to your firm one number so 0545 04 0001. 0553 321 0553 009 321. Royal Lametta Hotel is a coming home. I'm thinking you made the bro. So person feeling home away from home, dear. And a Royal Lametta Hotel. Or I want you at Singer Junction. Over to me after more so our number is so 0543 01 2494 0543 01 2494. Yeah, the massage and physical therapy. So one go to jail. Yeah, the measure wabon for drunker. From also I was 0249 157536. Yeah, the massage and physical therapy. I will book estate A78. Tekpano Ableza family land. So pass as ya to. As I see, so person commercial, industrial. Maybe you have a sort of Tekpano Ableza family land. Oh, man. With my phone also 0545 04 0001. Nyankuntom band, aye banda, omotonyum, amobonyum, now be feeling benza dia, and a nyankuntom band. Nyankuntom band, or more homo bia, say ye, say a wedding. You may give you episode bia, nyankuntom band, I will hold at the month. You better share a bumper to bumper an episode here for your papa, former President John J.Cool before, and they are the 87th birthday. The gentle giant, and then 87th birthday. And we share papa a very big, happy birthday. Young papa, former President John J.Cool before, and we share a very big birthday. Young papa was sworn into office the year 2000. And that's all we need elections in the year 2000. And after 7 January 2001, and he was sworn into office. Of course, 2 terms. A year from 2001 to 2009. And a year papa ever what pija Ghana. Or no more $1. $1 equal to 150. My papa by your idea. And so, Nene, your man no more. I cast a money your 87th birthday. A shank thing at the mat your papa. After so our wholesome Baba to Jaya Mammy Tiwa, the Mammy Tiwa, if a person celebrating his birthday, Mammy Tiwa, so a celebrity Sabi, the dead day. A year and you are 7 Jimmy, and a better Jaya Mammy Tiwa, I can't know. A year wholesome. The Mammy Tiwa, near friend of Perpetua Kakari. Now a renowned musician and lead vocalist, our Yasapo, any asthma for banding. You won 7 January 1962. Now the man was saying, I was something to say, I had 7 December, I won no. The same 7 December, and I am we are some. They will cry dreaming or shining him to us at the age of 10. Only joyful singers and water or so, oh, a sentimental was say, and I shall say. And you miss that, oh, how and you say, now we see. So, one sound to Susan, and so see one. Go to Jenny, Nina, your mammy, I can't move in a motor, sign you. Your mammy, I am mother of 4, a woman, moon 9. Mother of 4, mother of 4, mother of 4. And mommy, I receive a Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of the Yasapon, a year 2025 award to be a mommy and a body award on behalf of your papa Yasapon. Yentie, your mammy, you be a water to. So one kind of part, you're born in your mouth, or go the necra. Episode 4, sorry, Dr. Yuan, International Dr. Yuan, and the Etihase. No make Ham say, Jumo Kobe and a summer snake. Mamma to need Jimmy J. Bro, a Royal Lametta Hotel, a 100 at Singer Junction. Park Media Production, a pub video wholesome, pictures wholesome. Say ye, say a wedding, event to be a way beer. Friend no matter for you know videos and from mom. The number near 0545 040001 0545 040001. A year massage and physical therapy or show our brother draw and count. The number is 0249 157536. Yard massage and physical therapy. Takmano Ablaza family land, say assassin or pato. Top episode commercial, industrial, air filling station, school napasosi, market napasosi. Fred Takmano Ablaza family land, no more abejoso. What's my friend number? 0545 040001. Nyankonton band. Say ya you be a person mobile Nyankonton band betting me abamo. Say ye wedding to make a build for Nyankonton band na ombebo Emma. Willing Way Recovery Center. So a tune bonimo time. Your mammy diabna men no ye for buy. The bow bedjo was so a bedjo so. Now was show. Yan tell on Yanko Dr. Yuan. Dr. Yuan and one cover. I was so funny. I Dr. Yuan. Dr. Yuan. Yati Dr. Yuan. Yati Dr. Yuan. Dr. Yuan. My ward. Dr. Yuan. Yes, see. Dr. Yuan on your mind. Kwame Obusu for you. It's a way I fancy. Wow. Okay. Kumasi here, fantastic. Proprietors. Okay. Ghana Bible College. Okay. Wow. Now to tell you when family who is a foul year or mass who is to say. Yes, I'll tell you when you're available. I tell you when you have to say, Wama, I saw the awards yet I buy a crack check. Say awards you won't say me now. Wama, you produce awards. You know, who's up to say, yet it is I to me. You know, who's up to say. That's the award. Kofi Annan. International Kofi Annan. Okay. Dr. Yuan, whatever my main chawano. Na ya be to abrafo nka so ya be ko ya bo afo ho na ya hwe omonwumu omo so ye nti entwa ho mra ye nkoje abofo nka to mra media kan ho na mkechi bede bro
gospel yemra me fundraising na yemye kolibu baby
I was off for I must say some good somebody bro I have bumper to bumper to media all about trends yemma koso na the bro bumper to bumper to me Jesus na me kai no media na ela adrama nkwa e go send Dr. Yuan wa ha na Dr. Yuan ye call commercial break no ka so young must say Christmas the whole Ghana yeah that's your word. Okay, you want to Obia and I'm doing
Christmas package, no.
Obia.
Okay, pack TV kwa dia. Me say free ahomano. Remember me teso ha. Wa word say iPhone from Sambai. Say fried rice from Palms on Luke City. Say koji ni ewo Captain Morgan. Dr. You show na say. Say Brunya with a pack, say about me homecoming if you was sometimes. Who ya talk, who squad na a more kumasi as a cowboys. Eti free na Brunya we she pack TV na your mom who say and the man ever Dr. Yuna Jacuna. Many kudos our Black Star for award be ma. Remember my kudos Black Star award or call World Cup and a party. Me say Osha Park TV 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. One year, Chedi and I said, Dr. You are my award or Ghana. For train.
I'm telling you, I never try to come on the side. We say award, no sense. I'm presenting award. Emma, yeah, if a pack of Yana.
I'm presenting a proposal. Yes. Okay. Say, me say, Ghana for you follow you didn't achieve, baby, or could be a or come speech, baby. You fully register your home, follow the crew beers. And you're telling in their money in their question and home. We near TV as in our 7th year president. They will say, yeah, was in his honor. And not in a card, ma'am. Say, men send me email. And discuss. And me send email. And I'll refer me, ma, one of the foundation workers, a friend of McDowell. And now, some man and time intimate chat more. No, Kofi Annan refer me to Switzerland ambassador to United Nations.
And tell you what, make no. Quite can I first of all,
Namika said about Ghanaian University. I'm born doctorate degree.
Okay.
Tinami shortest young person, me na mijeni mu. So mo ye media for near coverage na de na me to chain say. Sin or try an email go in a card at your mouth. And say, man who say, oh, you were and it's what you will be a saw bomb. And I might call register your institution, Global Public Excellence. Yes, a standing the far embassies, no any diplomats, International Federation of Central Diplomacy. 7 awards, that's a far abroad. Mean you see global public excellence. Me for International Federation of Central Diplomacy. Now more reps and all reps every institution across the world.
Okay.
Harvard, Oxford, Yale, Cambridge. Me say that shares I don't magnify. It is a me letter ma that printer ma me be GD on penny friend. Me letter ma foreign affairs. Omo fee me say na number. And I'm chief almost the letter and come American High Commissioner direct, UK Embassy High Commissioner, India, Japan. So I say, had the case a book of your so they have to honor my invitation. It's not foreign affairs in film. To me, I say, Abrofonia from Busom say, and a program we because one, I'm on a program on my ana mo minister no say na onya bibia sa that time na say nka secretary na me call pammen o de letter no minister no na minister no e mo ba nti mu ye no na ya boko fia na di dey say wo ba awards by force
na say me to ka say mu o call foreign affairs o call any pamo secretary de pamo
yeah well it is our mind feel ne dey na wo ye ne nkwa de aban se wonye no mo mfa ho say obi a ade amode ba ka ba de mpuntu over Ghana ana say be pagya man me who am say ade na de edin kese ne ade ba dada because I'm the only person my awards manya sponsorship from international world to here you went for name Musa Baji award maybe World Bank rep for Baji Google and Co we are seeing that a baby abra aban to hwe anti foreign affairs female na me de me bro foka me trotro call ya na obia e buy anti me 2020 awards that was my 13th award ceremony and me
inti na foreign affairs you know so bad on we somebody come because all the
letter but they don't treat it I say come the letter about my officer na about secretary onya busa the quinty na they ato ni say ato oh ne we bi na there meanwhile it's part of global society say and I didn't yes na the UN for SDGs sustainable development goals and I scheme okay yes I will embrace everybody eti me ya awards we kra na ayehu na Ghana abana was no minister na ko say me din abroche nkron nyina so said doctor you and you fake near there to me started granting interview said oh grant me mama interview now I'm breaking it down I'm say hey and I say within to me we interview na minister na was no frame me now I'm say madam have you ever taken your time to investigate what I have done because I'm very bold to say me my dear my juma me misika me there na maka chem say me fake what to what say hwehwem say fake I say and me sorry and I'm say why then do you say I'm fake and so wherever I go they don't take me serious until some peninphobia me no mudi insa was for 2 years and san awards na baso no omo na mo sharing crunch say me the with so 2 for na na pia who's the speaker of parliament omo na me ho akoji job say ade na pese me 2 years before the event this is apostle Kojusa Legon vice chancellor Ebenezer Oduro wiso so me yes and ansana minister ne hunse na nimbegu ase then she about yeah I'm the same kwadakra I'm the me ban say am kwa na mu ni me ban samba ya wo sa me gidi na panyi bi ani me dada na me yare na be say me hospital abroche kura me ko letter free panyi ho a me du embassy na ma me visa na mu ni me say the aban ma appointment
na kwa ba so na fa so di hu sampai go mo hu nya easy sa
anya easy and na me diplomacy and no course na me diplomacy be say me ba Park TV you have to see administration I didn't know about Park TV security in Kwan bit sign so you put down a letter that will show say you are this you are coming from this end you are going that far and to make I say ko buku President Rollins so my dear award na man for be gunifie ni obi esro about Rollins yan so obi esro but me do na as smart as I am do am the letter name security I military man or say me letter name no say we are bold for wa go inside o ma mutenyo obi esro ma catch am say if you are bringing letter I'm just a security go inside go and submit it me do na corridor no mu wa na secretary need to number 2 e din come na President Rollins is a more extreme end or shine white no dwene kama and I even felt like I really need some ba nyame secretary nim ga say no to letter now the buy no ni kuta no see aye kan you who asked to omra na omra na hwan na see ya wo so no and so na me ma prepare on say letter penifo no ga kan be yiwa no and you should think of the legal implications the bit may see which but it was well planned organized be a kind letter na nyekofia na na but you see in honor of and they then want to know who me say oh now we are there in honor of Kofi na wo ye hwan enti it comes back to your question. Say, because a year then I would to me, sir. Then I said, my register my organization, Kofi and initial since this is what we wanted to do. And I 13th one, anyway, I be. President Roland Circuit, we will think about it, will come. Now, cut 2 weeks, I mean, Eddie Panibia President Akufo-Addo offered me one Saturday, Friday. Na me call suit, me could demote you anapa. Na me shenika cry, me the my fine. Nobody did. But as a other Flagstaff House, Jubilee House, I'm wanted there. Miss Murphy Mukrasa me we do a security soldier for you say. A fro or ya nim. No be any me that I said my man awards. And to do nim or dear fide farm one or Jimmy phone and room. Dear President Simon, why do you want to honor me? And why are you the one doing the ceremony? Now, covered time. Okay, you office be out. And that time now, from that time, when I bring you and say, Mubaba. Eddie, some sponsors, I don't know, we can say, oh, Medimiam Sikan, Martimia, J.Cool, but mining companies winning. I was so this. I feel this scare. And now your friend is saying, "100%." I'm saying, "I'm paying for Ben and Master say one letter apart from or no." Number four, I'm paying for high commissions, ambassadors. For both.
So money now, money.
Be a minute penny be a cheap in Ghana. Penny be a mine in phone in a DC phone for the since 2010. I be paying by this. I'm paying for Nanantisa. Me ba program and me say Dr. You and a community we na obey oba come the place. Band. I'm on protecting penny for never. They just gave them to me. And the old fire say, a fake. Once I wouldn't prove yet to say fake.
I said, so just not on demand, say, on mumbo.
I want more program home by night, teach you for by night, whatever happened. So the side I called the beef when I made sure, say, he feels maybe we'll treat him now to maybe to treat him, sir. We'll treat him now to a local Ghana, local champion. Nigeria for Grammy Awards, the whole Africa, 54 countries. Wow, we are there by 4. Namako Grammy, and the Scanimu drew. I don't know, Oji didn't say the banner boy, I called Jidin Jessica. Me who hold that? Yeah, and the upper because Dr. You and me international, baby, I made if you want to buy it, you miss no. And I upper job because make us have some about him. You are trending. CNN for which I have questions, son and boarding. Because what the why I want to participate, what the one could you baby? I say, oh, yeah. You are a local twister. You understand? Nastasi Mubba Ghana, Nastasi was like, only your beef. But I told him as because a bonino also. And I find a hip hop. What I say, it is a when you are growing, and I say, we bought Baswa and Casenco, 50 can anyone to form. o ma obo kra age because ye frefre ne am frelumba yam frekodwentwi and won ye frel ampa so nti dem fra me fra abo a wotin ba otumfo because na nyamia bibi media for kra munya tre MTN for boss panika kakra on a damn tian and I say ha doctor you on this year me to me credit as obia me knew the baby but he just approached and said mama ya to credit mama money because my awards near trending award what I say enti fani de ma enye easy na say ono anko wa to Range Rover no wo twi na Lamborghini on shata all this lifestyle enyum to a ye mfamwa obi ni aka say why ade enti ye mo abaso na omo de omo personal feelings happiness joy and omo ye so that's the beginning of the beef enti where's me a learned person there's nothing you would do me boo so celebrity. A celebrity is the one we celebrate because of good things you have done to society.
Okay, so you're celebrating no one.
You celebrate him because you don't know that. I know I don't know what's it. You know me, Baba said, "What I can't remember if me crew more could you a Grammy. Me anymore. Now you are shut all try a so-called Grammy. First, I cancer a comedian so it me catch a shadow come up here to say. Stop the local championship. J.Cool has match bono. Baby, I know we do it. Only stone boy, but it is not bringing we feeling happiness, no money. So social media is actually the beer say trendy. Okay. Now then, I want to be affiliated with government. Nanka Grammy Awards and now percent you nominate we. Ka government na say you me makom I'm just telling you free income be juice ka. Obi apasa what Ghana borders ko jina Ghana name baby one how do sikere woni mo ka senka foreign affairs here me come asem ya oh okay you have Shatawale yes trended is crossing borders sika na omo ko edimo be $1 million so ko Grammy okay and yambo one say yamana media attention once me need media for not time omo na be wow yamana platform just say why no ho but this is only you Shatawale going for Grammy or half for now stone by and call for now abu one call for crab besa ka catch say and say with me
you when beef sense me say my draws of fire na yen
kan we da
say na besa afro
me ma to menyo ko bo Shatawale to menyo
besa afro na ya be go wonyum no and the wonyum no betum nti me pam no besa afro then was have be nkomo na say hu olumba course trial thing na mu say nobody sanko na bia atiasi nti abusiafo ye try ho oba ye ba e de nkomo no ya kenyina be ka ho mo ye wo J.Cool so e wo hasia ono ye upcoming Nigerian artist nyama bebre e na waye nti ya di Dr. You and no enyum e be twatso e di ama
Global hit. That song is dedicated to all leaders, 10 the nations on, 10 the people on. Yeah, I take it easy like Sunday morning. When you feel my song, it's raining all over the world. Hey, tell me how I'll be picking out with my homies in the world. They are saying, you know how we do it. I'll tell you an opinion chapter. You can scratch my vulture. Anyone, my culture. Hey, I say, turn me on, turn me on. Picking up, baby, picking up, baby, turn me on. I'm running around the world, picking up my pieces, shipping up the world, heal the world, under the land of liberty. Feel it how it is when we stand up with the people of the nations. Turn me on, turn me on, I say turn me on. hold the fire to see what it is. Boy, you know what it is. Say, yeah, you feel it. It's like champion games we playing in ACCR. Yeah, y'all know what it is. You turn me on. Hey, turn me on. Doctor, you and global icon. We turn the table like nice and easy. Hey, Babylon, that's right. You never sound like you wanna change people, turn the people on. Now we move with the you and the family to turn the people on, turn the nations on. You wanna hang around with a double two, hold it on tight, nice and easy like we do it in everywhere in the world. Turn me on, hey, turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on. You and family. Gonna turn me on, gonna turn me on. Doctor, you wanna say gonna turn me on. I wanna change the pace, make my homies feel the place. Never lost things for you, never lost. Oh, come back to you, doctor, you end up in a larger chapter. Never wanna hear the bad news, only the good news wanna hear. Hey, me and family, society, nation, stand me on. I'm a get star going man, billions, turn the nations on.
Your next guest, I Joseph, also known as J.Cool. And J.Cool, but for some Kwan, I'm in the course and say for Nigerian upcoming artists or bring to Ghana for about 1.5 years. J.Cool, I just introduced you to Ghanaians that you are Nigerian and then you came here 1.5 years ago. So can you tell us more about yourself?
Okay, I don't have much about myself. I love to dance and I'm a cool guy. So I don't always look for when there's trouble, I don't always go there. Okay. So it's not like maybe when the trouble comes I cannot handle it.
You can handle it.
So I can handle the trouble, but I'm just a cool guy, I just love to dance and my fun and my happiness. So
you love to dance?
Yes.
But then you're into the music industry?
Yes, I love to dance, I love to sing, yes. So
what made you decide to come to Ghana?
I was hearing about Ghana, and I know that Ghana is a very good place, and I just decided for me to come and know how Ghana is. So now I'm in Ghana, and I love how Ghana behave, the way they do their things. So that is why I'm in Ghana. I wanted to thank the Ghanaian people that support me on my music because I want to do it more better in Ghana. Okay. So that is why I'm in Ghana.
So what are the things that Ghanaians do that makes you love Ghana and it has influenced your decision to stay here and do music?
Okay, I think Ghana is a peaceful country and they are not violent people, so they respect. So and you living in Ghana, you have to respect yourself. So I love the way they cook their
Ghana jollof.
Yeah.
Ghana jollof. Nigeria is still here. J.Cool is recommending Ghana jollof to everybody.
Yeah, Ghana jollof is nice.
Ghana jollof is nice.
And their shito, so all those things, I love it.
Have you eaten bamboo?
Yes, I've tasted some.
How did it taste?
I think it tastes nice. Yeah, tastes nice.
So what are some of the things? What were the things you were doing at Nigeria before coming here?
Okay, I based on design, POP design.
POP design at Nigeria?
Yes, at Nigeria. So I just stepped into Ghana to do my music.
So don't
Let me give a holla to our people that passed away in the darkest cold. Holla to the victims that die on the road to peace. To our heroes that fall short, passed away in the darkest cold. Holla to the victims that die on the war front on the road to peace. Reminiscent centenary days of my diva. You changed the world, you charmed the world with your wisdom and vision. With the perfect love, you shine on the nations. You put food on the table day and night, coffee and you fed many people in the world now. You made way for the nations, Busamuru made way. Your excellent blueprint, Anna, man of peace, unity and prosperity. Mirror of the world, you left me alone in the middle of the road to peace. Men of the millennium, yeah, golden anniversary, will forever remember you. Heads of state, king's anniversary. In my dreams, I see you, colors of the faith, success and courage, service to humanity. You made it all. This is how we sign up with the people of the world. Nations cry, we're looking up to you. Kofi Annan, who's the mirror of the world? That's right, true colors, Kofi Annan, true colors, girl up, true colors, Kofi Annan, true colors, that's right. True colors.
Eguswani J.Cool and Ekasa. Yeah, man, come brain. It's native Chinese and so you try and come on so. And J.Cool, so in Nigeria, or about who are festival, and in there very nice. Or recommending Ghana Jollof to all Nigerians to wear a plus the bag again. And J.Cool and the social media handles about to be a area where performers will be a man. Yeah, brother, it's a make Chinese and so. They can say, to make a bumper to bumper, Mediana Ala Atua Amakwa. Hand media production, so your music video, wedding video, funeral video, seminars, BBA fan video, and the pictures for dear. Hand media production, our whole animal. Our two is Swasi, Royal Police Station 1 hour. For number 0545 040001 0545 040001. Make sure to have a number. Nasa from one. Mbabe chow video na mo kama ane bono eda komboko na fa zuria ya do trailer no so ebe to your social media and so ede amount yanko J.Cool hono na J.Cool enka on social media no to ya no my performance J.Cool, can you tell Ghanaians your social media handles how they can get to you, and then after that you give us some live performance?
Okay, my social media handle, the name is J.Cool, so that's the name. J.Cool. Because when you just type J.Cool, you see me on Facebook, Twitter, all those platforms.
Okay, J.Cool on Facebook is
yes. TikTok.
J.Cool.
Oh, yeah.
TikTok
Yeah.
J.Cool. Can you spell it?
Yeah, J.Cool.
J.Cool. J.Cool. On TikTok J.Cool. Facebook J.Cool. Instagram J.Cool. Okay. J.Cool. Ye try and waba. Ye ba. J.Cool. Ba my a cappella of the music.
for Pack TV ama obi biara.
Na o hwa obohu nipa e wo ho.
Monhwa Pack TV station for Pack TV.
So person hu na mamre. Awti amamre ni amane e dia.
Me kan for Pack TV e da mo bia.
Ye ne ye mai de noa na ye hwe.
O hwa enhira wom, enkunindie wom. Wunya hotopa.
Da bia, me kan for Pack TV amam.
Na sunya idea. Ya gye mutum se pra kope.
Eti Pack TV de. Me na mabuzu afo ye ni ho agro.
Anoa na ekọ.
Eti me kan for Pack TV amamo.
Sesina be buta, bibia wo so komoda wo so.
Enya de omo ye niam basa bia wo TV no so.
Obia hwe Pack TV. Eye kama pa.
Pack TV papa. Obia hwe bi.
Nti adofo no. Obia fa TV into Pack TV o.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa. Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
I've started dancing already. Okay, so J.Cool, let's go. Give us some acapellas. Let's go. Yes. Without beats, J.Cool is going to give us some acapellas without beats. And then we are preparing J.Cool's music for you. So let's just try who's Mamra, Yaba, Yabeto Aso. Yeah, the J.Cool, the new song, and it's a wonderful song. We are, what the other one, yeah, the best one. They try home versus yeah. Okay, J.Cool, before you give us a cappella, then we play your music for us to dance with your music and all, what inspired you to write such a song? And what are the words in your song?
The words of my song, I think, is about love. So I was like going out with my friend, my guys.
Can you bring your microphone up?
Okay, I was like going out with my friend or my guys. So met a lady and they wanted to approach the lady. Okay. So the lady was like giving them some strong head. So they now call me, say, since you are artist, I go. Understand? So that is why when I went there, the lady just say, please, can I know you? I say my name is J.Cool. He says, shut up. They give me your phone, let me give me your number. So that is how I take the number from the lady without stress.
So you just told the lady to shut up and then...
No, she told me. So when she asked me, say, what is your name? I was like, my name is J.Cool. He said, okay, just keep quiet and let me give you my number.
Okay, so the story is your friends met a lady. They wanted to approach her.
Yeah.
They couldn't approach her. Then they sent you to do that.
Yes, to do that.
So were you interested in going for the number? Or was it because your friends told you to go for it?
No, I was not interested to go for a number. So my friend just told me, I said, let me go for it.
Okay. Your friends told you to go for it?
Yeah.
Okay. So give us small a cappella, and then we play your music, some lines in your songs.
Okay.
Then we play your music.
Okay, go like this. One baby, you dey find my trouble. The kind of thing where you get it cause you go slow. Me, I no want mine, I want chop some. Any place where you go, I want go there. One baby, make you carry me, they go. Mama will make you hold your pikin, no. She dey.
Oh baby, get biggie colo. Say you dey want me, oh I know they like am. Me I get plenty girls, so where they call me, I know they want no. Whenever I put them colo, then go Casablanca, no be choice, so give me space, make I love you. Me I love you, down, don't you way. One baby, tell me say you jogo. Senorita, tell me where you do. One baby, tell me say you jogo. Senorita, tell me where you do. One baby, tell me say you jogo. Senorita, tell me where you do. One baby, tell me say you jogo. Senorita, tell me where you do. Say senorita, tell me where you do. Say senorita, tell me where you do. You make I go back there with it, you make I shut up, you make I shut up. Make I go back there with it, you make I shut up, you make I shut up. Make I go back there with it, you make I shut up, you make I shut up. Make I go back there with it, you make I shut up, you make I shut up. Why baby you never find my trouble? Because nothing for you, get it cause you go slow. Me I don't mind, I want your some. Any place where you go, I won't go there. Why baby make you carry me to go? Mama will make you hold your kid, no. You don't keep my eyes, scatter the voice of the voice and they go.
Yeah.
But looking at what you think, it seems you were the one who wanted the number.
That's what everybody's saying.
You were the one who wanted the number.
No,
if you didn't want it, you didn't have gone for it. So you wanted the number. So let us know you wanted the number.
Okay, I wanted the number.
Catching it. So let's give us more a cappella of your second music, then we play it.
Okay. Shorty say I too fine, I beg. I wish kind life be this cause she no go agree. Shorty say I fine, no.
So what also informed your decision to write such songs?
Okay, my song was like, anytime I want to ask a lady out, say I'm too handsome that I will have a lot of girlfriends. So, so that's why.
Casanova. You said you are too handsome.
Yes, I have a lot of girlfriends. I look like somebody. But that's not true.
That's not true.
Yeah.
So how many ladies did you ask of their numbers for them to see this?
I think I can't remember.
Plenty.
It's not that plenty, but I can't remember.
No, you can't remember. Then it's plenty. So give us the lines and then we play your song. Then you dance with it.
Okay. Shorty say I too fine, I beg. Now which kind life be this cause she no go agree. Shorty say I fine, no. Tell me say now this kind boy 9 day break I take. My friend they beg and join. Sorry no say me see I love you die you. Sorry boy them in body them will make you calm down. No say we go make things right. For all these things why they talk. All these things where them talking, I like you. And the place you go, I want to know you go, baby. Find a way, get the passion for the guy. Find a way, get the passion for the guy. Cause she don't know, shorty say I find no. Shorty say I too find a way. I wish I love me, cause she don't know, shorty say
nice, right?
Just wait.
Shorty say I to find her back. Now she can't like me this 'cause she no go. Shorty say I find no. Shorty say I to find her back. Now she can't like me this 'cause she no go. Shorty say I find no.
Hey, this one day. Okay, that was J.Cool for you. From today, whoever J.Cool proposes, I beg, accept. Okay, he doesn't have any girl. He just told me he doesn't have any girl. J.Cool, really, your music is really nice.
Thank you.
So give us your last words to people, and then you end the show for us.
Okay, the last words to people is this. I appreciate everyone that support brand new J.Cool. So thank you so much for doing that. And I want to tell the upcoming artists, don't give up, keep on pushing. One day it will be nice. Bless.
Bless. Dr. Ewan, this is my last performance. Here we are now for the comments. At was so the amount. You try and have a see.
True colors. That's why you rock colors of the world. Don't be afraid. True hero.
Like a rainbow. Man of the nations, man of the world. Till we see ourselves in the heavenly place. Remember me? That's right. Till we see ourselves in the heavenly place. Remember me? That's right. Hero of the nations, Kofiana. Hero of the heavens, Kofiana. Yo, G excellence, public excellence, untold story. Public excellence.
Picking up, baby, you tear me on. I'm running around the world, picking up my pieces, shipping up the world, heal the world, under the land of liberty. Feel it how it is when we stand up with the people of the nations. We be picking out like that. I say, baby, turn you on. We're cranking to see the world of fire, to see what it is. Boy, you know what it is. Say, yeah, you feel it. It's like champion games we playing in ACCRA. Yeah, y'all know what it is. You turn me on. Doctor, you and global icon. We turn the table like nice and easy. Hey, Babylon, that's right. You never sound like you wanna change people, turn the people on. Now we move to the UN family to turn the people on, turn the nations on. You wanna hang around with a double two, hold it on tight, nice and easy, like we do it in everywhere in the world. Hey, turn me on. You and family. Gonna turn me on, gonna turn me on. Doctor, you wanna say gonna turn me on. I wanna change the pace, make my homies always for the place. Never lost things for you, never lost. Oh, come back to you, doctor, you end up in a larger chapter. Never wanna hear the bad news, only the good news wanna hear. Hey, me and family, society, nation, stand me on. I'm gonna get stuck going man, billions, turn the nation on. Stand me on. Don't go man, turn me on. Turn on. Calling churches say turn me on.
Turn me on.
So no matter what, we gon' crank to the top, to the gold hill, of course. Turn me on.
Turn me on.
Turn me on. Yeah. King by going turn the nation on. We're blocking. Blockstar line, you have to turn the nations on. You for the fantasy, for the love, for the groovy, for the iration. We cross the ocean for the nation, see higher destination. We've been billion, changing faces, places, destination. Cross the ocean for the nation, see higher destination. This is our days when we stand up with the people of the nations. You tell me on, Africa, tell me on. Africa, tell me on. People and places that turn me on. I'll be touring Santa America, Holy City and Bacardi, Satanga Hawk, USA, Titanic Tema, and Patsy for draw. Hey, American style, Christian for draw. Them all turn me on. Money get like a stone boy and turn me on. Hey, Shatta City, them all turn me on.
Okay, J.Cool and the dear Jumedie no. Na J.Cool tia ne comment so ha Dr. You and comment so ha. Ya becha say free Joseph upon or say watching live from a J.CoolOther Willie Recovery and Rehabilitation Center. There's a Lydia, I don't know. Mampohini Nana Kofi da sebre. Or they know who buache. I said this guy is very smart. There's a Dr. You and no. Minka TV honestly say this guy used his mind over the country. Men's gold owner was his student. Okay, Precious Edusi Poku swam a laughing emoji. Osade okay swabba. Precious Edusi Poku na biem. I say thank you, legend. Dr. No. Young Elijah Ochre. Also the love emoji bakona. Boza and so back home. J.Cool, I see you, my nigga. It's Merlin. J.Cool, Unipa Merlin and so ha. Pedroa Medina Cruz. Watching the best show live and clear inside Indianapolis. Kumasi Tanoso. Kesben Junction is the main location. Pedroa Medina Cruz, that was a pa. And as Tinabuama, I'm enjoying the program live at Cadet. Abna Sunday, and so say Dr. Yuan to the whole year sing. I'm a sewa, and so see young coming artist J.Cool, keep pushing on. No so dear banano. Sister Fear and so say J.Cool, you do all. When you say J.Cool or back was nipa bebre and huni dear. People are commenting on J.Cool's songs, telling him to keep pushing, and then his songs are nice. I don't know if people really know him since he's been here only 1.5 years. This is a good sign. J.Cool, keep pushing your music. Aye Park TV. Ya di J.Cool nyum ene ebetwato ode amai. Mekai mo say mediane ela achua amankwa. Jumeko bi kame ho nam di jumede ebro. Aye Park Media Production. Say a video honsem, pictures honsem, ningina Park Media Production at the Bemau. From what I doom in Swase Royal Police Station in Chenhua. Which me from was 0545 00001 0545 040001. Yes, I show na ya madam. J.Cool, you na ya madam. My numbers me Bobby Gum, but the actual number is 0545 040001. Park Media Production number. I don't know. Woollywood Recovery Center, Mrs. Lydia Abna Menua Oyekofa by Ono ene edano se wato nu boni mutintan na opese ni nyina fru so adwendwen bibibia ekoso adwumudua no Woollywood Recovery Center. Our number is 024-661-7309. Aya Woollywood Recovery Center. I don't know. Yadom massage and physical therapy. Doctor or besha womb pomo so kase mu so sisi so kotoje osisi achi o baby doctor ye be share atnet no wa bra o ma o edro bia no wonom o Brochrome A78 Brochrome Estate o baby bi so oboase abompe Jehovah Witness Event Center Awana Yado Massage and Physical Therapy. The number is 059-496-8488. Yado Massage and Physical Therapy. And so Royal Lametta Hotel Ahojo Atenga Junction. So open home away from home dear and a Royal Lametta Hotel. Oko almost swimming pool, omu bed, omu cage, omu baby, omu didi. A hoye come just say me would your main campus and say hoye come on bro so it's a man some no cry and make it cunning in the album. Royal Lametta dear so oko no man I home away from home. As I would do airport and so now per se obi me fan hotel hoa. Royal Lametta Hotel or airport pickup services and so ever home. Obetma from 054-301-2494 Royal Lametta Hotel and Nyankoton band. So pe banda omu babo nyum omu behu nyum na wa fili benze wa fili cool Nyankoton band. So from one say ye say a wedding you made the be a woody be a offer Nyankoton banda omu bejo so na afe o ma bebo enyum edi amount aha ene di jumede ni na besi mediane ela ajua mankwa diane ela ajua amankwa omodi ase abibia obehye Park TV jumede eye bumper to bumper to bumper enti ene yebe koyi yemfa J.Cool nyum mfa ncham na ase kaka yemfa jumede no ensi
Let me say now this guy boy 9 day break again. My friend they beg and join. Sorry, no say me see I love you right. Sorry, my them no need them will make you come down. No say we go make things right. For this is what they talk, we be like say me I know they try. Sorry, say I to find out back. Which kind like me this cause she don't know. Sorry, say I find no go. Sorry, say I to find out back. Which kind like me this cause she don't know. Sorry, say I find no go. Sorry, me, I don't come and go still.